This project is the refurbishment of the main reception and atrium area and the cafe in the ARK in Hammersmith. The intention of the project was to maintain the original character of the building whilst providing acoustic comforts in the main atrium space, which is susceptible to high reverberation due to the high footfall. To make sure that the office had the appearance and the feel of a high-end premises and promoting the staff well-being, which is the requirement post-COVID. So the project was designed by Gensler, with BW Interiors as the main contractor, and PANARC Interior Solutions were the approved installer who carried out the works. Because of the shape of some of the areas within this project, a traditional lay-in grid ceiling was not suitable, not just from an installation and visual point of view. Gensler approached us to discuss the ceilings in the atrium. They sought advice on how best to install, which products were best to use within this space so that they could maintain a premium appearance without having grid lines from a traditional suspended ceiling. With Mono Acoustic being able to be shaped and cut round into curves, ensured that the ceiling followed the natural lines of the building and maintained the original characteristics. So the installation process with Mono Acoustic is very straightforward, using a proprietary grid system and acoustic panels, which is finished off with a spray render. It also enables you to integrate ventilation systems, smoke heads, different types of lighting, be it recessed, linear or pendant lighting. Thanks to Rockfon's clear and readily available documentation, such as product-specific EPDs, our products contribute towards achieving higher scores across various green building certification schemes, such as LEED, BREEAM and WELL. Plus, the product's use of abundant raw materials and its high recycling potential and efficient waste management options make Rockfon the ideal choice for both new build and retrofit projects. The transformation of this space showcases the power of collaboration, stakeholder engagement, and the holistic approach to designing well-functioning spaces that inspire productivity and happiness, where acoustics is not just an afterthought.